Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am actually at a park near my house and I just came here because I wanted to take a walk and just enjoy the weather because it's a Sunday here and I just wanted to relax and just come for a walk, read a book. I am currently rereading Iron Flame again. This is my journal. It's a mini journal. I really like that it's like lightweight so I can like carry with me everywhere. So I'm just going to sit down, write some thoughts, do some gratitude journaling here. So this is your sign. If you haven't been grateful, if you haven't been journaling much, this is your sign to start journaling and to start being grateful. I realized that this is the exact spot, the same place, same park, everything, where one of my videos actually went viral. At a point of time when I had maybe just 1,000 subscribers and I just started making videos on manifestation, law of assumption, affirmations and all of that. I thought I'll do a video on how to manifest your dream job just to help someone out who might see, even if it's 1,000 people, 2,000 people. I just wanted to help. I think I have like more than 140,000 views if I'm not wrong in that video, and that just makes me so grateful. I was just being genuinely honest and I just thought that even if there are like 500,000 people who watch my video, they are going to see that it is not impossible to get your dream job and to get what they want to manifest. It is totally possible if they really set their intention and mind to it, and they do affirm that they already have it. I am sure that reality just catches on really quickly and you just get whatever you want. I mean, the entire message of that video was to just motivate and inspire people at the end of the day, and also tell them that if I can do it, anyone can do it. Thinking of moments like that, it just makes me feel so grateful, blessed and grounded, because honestly I did a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and see how many videos I've done, but it was just this one video that I just set an intention that I genuinely wanted to help and inspire people, and this is the video that went viral. I'm actually just journaling and writing how grateful I am to like just be alive and be in this moment. It is so important to like ground yourself and stay present no matter where you are in life. Someone out there who wishes to have at least the life that you have, we don't really understand or we don't really identify how abundant and wealthy we are. Taking a walk, coming to the park here, sitting, writing down, there could be so many people who would probably have health issues due to which they can't really come out and enjoy a day at the park like this. There could be someone who is so much with depression, anxiety and worry that they don't get to fully live in the present moment. So trust me, no matter where we are, even if you think you've hit rock bottom, there is always going to be something that you can feel grateful for. I'm just writing down simple things about why I'm grateful for today. Like, I'm just grateful to be alive, I'm grateful to be in this present moment where I get to spend my Sunday evening in a park like this. I am like looking at children play here. Drizzling here a little bit slightly, but still I can see like people around are not like running away. They're actually taking their dogs for walk. There are a few people playing tennis here, there are a few people playing basketball there. So like just sitting here doing this exercise, looking at my surroundings, just enjoying this, which is again something that not a lot of people have the luxury to do. Just having this time where I can like be completely alone with my thoughts, be completely grateful and just enjoy where I am, it's a luxury, trust me. Yeah, this was just to inspire you. I hope you get your journal out. This is your sign to like get your diary, journal, notebook, whatever it is. I am setting an intention to start being more regular in the gym and also start eating a little healthier. I've been eating a lot of food outside, which I really want to avoid. I want to have like proper home cooked meals. So I am just setting an intention for this week to just start eating a little healthier and to start hitting the gym at least 5 times a week. I just want to make sure that I'm keeping my health and well-being as a priority. So that is what I am setting an intention for. Your intention could be completely different. It could be something related to your career, it could be something related to your relationships, your friendships, whatever it is. Just set an intention along with writing down things you're grateful for. So I usually use the 5-minute gratitude journal every single day, but it's only during the weekends like this, like Saturday, Sunday. I like properly writing a journal entry. I take my time out, write all the things, all the amazing, wonderful things that happen throughout the week, things I'm grateful for at this particular moment. Just basically scribble and write down all the thoughts I have in my mind. Like it's more like a brain dump, but a brain dump in a very positive and optimistic way. So even if there are like setbacks and challenges, I just like writing down that this was a challenge I had, but I know I'm gonna get over it and I know I'm going to get better. So yeah, you can just say this is my way of like writing down. You can obviously do it any way you want to. I just enjoy writing like long entries over the weekends. Happy and grateful that at least Saturday, Sunday, I get to do this activity, spend some time alone, reflect on the week, see what are the things that happened, which I'm grateful for, I'm blessed for. Any setbacks, challenges, I'm still grateful for that because I get to learn something from it. So yeah, just take a moment today, even if it's not a Sunday today when I upload this video, whenever it is, and you get some free time. Just try journaling, gratitude, set an intention, and just watch how much better you feel. I believe that the second you start feeling better internally, you automatically get a lot of thoughts, ideas towards the things that you want to manifest. Trust me, you start getting a lot of ideas that will only lead you to start executing them next. So I think it helps a lot, even if it's just for your mental health or for your overall well-being. Just journaling, writing things you're grateful for, setting the intention for the week, even before your Monday starts. Maybe setting an intention on a Sunday or a Saturday makes a lot of difference. Yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope this was inspiring. Also, it's getting a little windy. I think I should go now, but yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.